Today I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing the Beldex Wallet app. Let's dive right in. Commence by launching your Play Store or App Store. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top where you'll spot the search box. Enter Beldex and initiate the search. The app will promptly materialize, and in the upper right corner, you'll notice the enticing Get option. Don't hesitate, click on it. Now perform a double click on the side button. This action will either activate Face ID or prompt you to input your Apple ID password. Choose your preferred method, and as soon as that's accomplished, behold the commencement of the download process. Ensure that your internet connection is unwavering for a speedier download. Upon the successful completion of the download, feel free to open the app and explore its functionalities. That wraps up our walkthrough on effortlessly downloading and installing the Beldex Wallet app. If you found this tutorial beneficial, show your support by giving us a like, sharing the content, and subscribing to our channel. Much appreciated.